Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So finally it does come down to this, that I have to make an announcement. And I really need your attention right now. If you are listening to this and you're watching this video, if you're new for the first time, maybe you won't really care. But if you've been a follower for a long time, because you do know that Adam Coins wants to kill a zero from SHIB. But the announcement is that it's been 2 years that I've been making all the YouTube updates and gained nearly 23,000 subscribers. But I'm gonna have to stop updating videos on YouTube from today. If you wonder when I'm going to start again, I am not sure. It's been a wonderful experience uploading all these videos and getting your appreciation, but I have to start a different career, and I'll be focusing on that from today. I've shared the ups and downs with you. I will hold this bull run, hopefully retiring soon as well. I've given you Casper, and I try to upload and keep you updated to my best potential. Now, if you've made it this far, as sad as it sounds, I just want to let you know that this was nothing than an April Fool's. Sorry to play with you, but I thought let's do some. So speaking of April Fools, it seems like SHIB has a little bit of an April Fool as well. It was trying to show that I'm gonna move to this technical target, and all of a sudden it dropped to the downside. But still, this scenario of coming up here is still in play. It has not invalidated, even though you went to the downside. Now the reason you came down is probably because you have this ascending broadening wedge, which I didn't talk about. So you broke below the ascending broadening wedge and you came down to the technical target. So that thing has been played out. Another thing is, secondly, the support and resistance that you broke out of is still maintained. So this was your support previously, support here. You broke above it, you retested, you're going up, you came down again, and you're still holding it as a support, what was previously your resistance here. So I think SHIB is still wonderful and can actually still continue to go back up to 3563. Now I want to show you the monthly closing, because April just started off, and SHIB on the monthly time frame looks amazing. Okay, we still have a very nice good green candle, green closing here. So we can actually expect that SHIB may be interested to actually continue the momentum that it has created back in March. So we may see April being a green month as well for SHIB, hopefully. So if we don't see a pre-halving dump from Bitcoin, it's the month of halving as well. So crypto is pretty crazy coming on in the near future. I'm very bullish for BlackRock entering, ETF getting approved, Bitcoin halving into play. So all these things are just so good. These are just recipes and ingredients for a massive bull run coming on. Personal opinion, honestly, and that's why I do say Adam is gonna kill the zero from SHIB. And like the video if you like it, if you enjoy when I say I'm going to kill the zero, because I mean it when I say it. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one in the office.